ペコペコ子猫の顔してにゃんこ起きる
Yeah,
Okay, it's recorded now, right?
I think so.
Hello!
Yeah. Hi! We have Conan today with us.
Yes, my baby.
Don't touch me.
Okay, and today we're going to be doing the...
What?
You say it!
The Chubby Bunny!
Challenge! So let's see which one of us can take the most marshmallows in the mouth.
Yeah.
Okay,
A wimble.
one chubby bunny.
Two Chubby Bunny.
No, it's one!
One Chubby Bunny.
Right.
What you have to say and put it in your mouth.
I'll put it in my mouth, but I ain't saying it.
Okay.
Before you say it then. Before you put it in your mouth, say it.
I don't want to say it.
Yeah, fine, just put it in your mouth. Two chubby bunny. You can't eat it.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
I'm
You're
not.
chewing on it.
I'm not. Who's had to do this?
Three chubby bunny. No? Four chubby bunny.